Hi friends, welcome to Time to Learn TNPC. நம்ம ஏர்ன்ற சாப்டரில் லவோய்சர்ன்ற பற்றி சயின்டிஸ்ட்டை பற்றி பார்த்தோம். அவரோட ரெவல்யூஷன் கெமிஸ்ட்ரியை பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். த ரெவல்யூஷன் இன் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி. லவோய்சர் 1743 to 1794. Lavoisier studied chemistry, botany, astronomy and mathematics in Mazarin College. He also studied law as per his father's wish. In 1771, he married Mary Anne. Lavoisier could not do his research without the precise instrument designed by Mary Anne. Mary Anne's role is as important as Lavoisier in all these discoveries. Boyle. After burning an iron plate, there is a rise in its mass. Lavoisier decided to redo Boyle's experiment precisely. Lavoisier burned the iron plate in an airtight jar. Yeah, as I expected, the final mass of the total system is same as initial. When lifting the lid of the jar slightly, the air rushed into the jar. When weighting the iron plate individually, it showed the gain in mass. Oxygen in the air should be the reason for this increment in mass. The air pressure should have been decreased after oxygen is converted into a solid substance during chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, the initial and final mass should be same. So matter can never be created nor destroyed. With a chemical reaction, chemical compound may be changed. We can change the chemical composition of substances by chemical reaction. We should accurately measure the mass. There was another surprise for him. What is this? The large and small plates shown the same 2-gram weight gain in this jar. Yes, this should be the quantity of the oxygen in this jar. After exhausting oxygen, the chemical reaction is stopped. Increasing of mass is also interrupted. Lavoisier repeated his experiment so many times and concluded that the quantity of the oxygen in the air should be 20%. While respiration, we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Even when resting, burning of substances, the same oxidation is occurred. So he told that our respiration is equivalent to slow burning. Experiments of Lavoisier showed that air is a mixture. Oh, is air not a basic element? Lavoisier proved that water is made up of oxygen and hydrogen. Water is not a basic element too. In consequence of proving water and air is not a basic element, the concept Panchaputta was obsolete. Objects are made up of different kinds of atoms. A new era of modern chemistry started. The book Elements of Chemistry, published by him in 1789, laid the foundation of modern chemistry. Lavoisier remembered as the pioneer of the revolution in chemistry. Thank you.